Hi, this is Andrea Salvatore here. This is the first video of a series of videos where I try to explain how the Forex diver indicator works. We start with the Bollinger Band. You know that the Forex diver is based on the Bollinger Band indicator. What are the Bollinger Bands? The Bollinger Bands are a simple moving average, a 20 period as a default. This is the yellow line, this is the 20 simple moving average, and another two band, the upper band, that is the green one, and the lower band, that is the red one here, and they are so-called standard deviation. The default value for this standard deviation is 2, and they measure volatility. Volatility means when there is more momentum, when there is more potential for a move. If you can see, for example, here we got the Bollinger Band that are quite narrow from each other. As you can see, in this moment we got an expansion. We see the price is it's falling down very quickly, and the bands are expanding, meaning that there is a lot of volatility. As you can see, we are just recording a very good moment to go short. This pattern here that we see, we'll see it later, is a trend following pattern. We got the first bar, the second bar, the third bar below the 1 hour bar, that is the fourth one. That means that there is a strong trend ruling the currency, but we'll see it later. Let's go on in the meanwhile. As you can see from the beginning of the video to now, the size of the first band has increased. It was much more narrow at the beginning, and now is expanding. It is expanding at the same level of the upper and lower Bollinger Bands. If you see, the upper value of the first bar, or the first diver bar, the 1 minute bar, is the top is at the same level of the green line, and the bottom is at the same level of the red line. The white line here in the middle, this one, is at the same level of the yellow line. That means that it's the same level of the 20 period SMA, the 20 period simple moving average. So each diver bars refer to one time frame. The first bar by default is a 1 minute bar, is referred to the 1 minute. The second one is referred by default to the 5 minute time frame. The third one is referred to the 15-minute one, and the fourth is referred to the 1 hour. But you can change the time frame very easily, and we'll explain it in another video. And now this is for the 1 minute. So for the 1 minute, we can see that the top and the bottom of the first bar is exactly the same as the top of the upper band value, and the lower band value, and the middle. Okay, I'll show you that the same happens for all the other time frames. So in one indicator we have the lower Bollinger Band value and the upper Bollinger Band value for 4 time frames: default 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 hour, but you can change. And the middle band value, so the 20 SMA value. Okay, now let's see if it's true that the 5 minute, this is true for the 5 minute, 15 minute and 1 hour. Now we change the value. This indicator, this Bollinger Band here, is an indicator, is a multi-time frame Bollinger Band. If we put 0, is shows the Bollinger Band of the chart. We are working on a Euro Japanese yen 1 minute, so these are the Bollinger Band for the 1 minute. If we put 5, we will have the Bollinger Band value for the 5 minutes, and if you can, as you can see, the top of the Forex or diver bar on the 5 minutes, so the second bar is exactly at the level as so for the bottom, it's here. Okay, let's do it for the 15 minutes as well. Okay, here we are, here it is, here it is, same for the middle band, and let's do it for the 1 hour as well. Okay, this is the top, the upper Bollinger Band, middle here, and bottom here. Okay, we are just back to the 1 minute on the Bollinger Band indicator. To have exactly the same information that we have from the Forex diver only for the Bollinger Band, we should have we have two options: have 4 charts each for each time frame showing the Bollinger Band, or having a multi-time frame indicator like this one applied to one chart. But that's what it would happen if we do that. You know, the green line are the upper Bollinger Band for each time frame. You see the 1 hour, the 15 minutes, the 5 minutes, and the yellow are the middle band, and the red are the lower bands. That's what it would happen if you do it with a usual Bollinger Band multi-time frame indicator. That's what you have, exactly the same information with the Forex diver. You see? It's much different, much more powerful, and you got exactly the same information and much more, and we'll see it on the following videos. So that's all for the Bollinger Band. I hope it's clear enough, and I hope you enjoyed, and let's go to the next video.